Good evening to everyone. Today I'm going to present you my action research. The topic is using memory cards to teach past tense in English subject by Agnes Supangmalang. Abstract. This action research was conducted to increase the interest and students' performance in Bahasa Inggris Paper 1, Section A, among Year 6 division. 30 students were involved in this research. Preliminary review was conducted based on their mid-year assessment, which found that the results showed that the students were unable to score at least 10 out of 20 multiple choices questions correctly, mostly did careless mistakes in questions that related to past tense. It also shown that the students were not focusing in the past tense lesson. They had lost interest in learning past tense. Teacher had introduced memory cards game for these students. It helped the students to increase their results in Bahasa Inggris Paper 1, Section A, and learn past tense in a fun way. 1.0 Previous Lesson Reflection. It shows that mid-year assessment analysis showed that most of the students did not pass Bahasa Inggris Paper 1, Section A. The students were not interested in learning past tense, and they also kept thinking that learning English grammar was very hard to be understood. Research problem. Memory cards has been planned and implemented, and a few verbs has been selected. For this action research, the research objective was first general objective, increase students' result and interest in learning past tense. Specific objective, increase students' result and increase students' interest. Targeted groups. 30 students of 6th division at Eskemer Baumiri, which take Bahasa Inggris subject in year 6. They are the targeted groups for this action research. 11 students were boys and 19 students were girls. Total were 30 students. They were selected for this action research. Next, I'm going to talk about the implementation of the research. 5.1 The Action Plan. Based on data collected from preliminary review, teacher had decided another way to teach past tense lesson. Since memory cards is one of the most popular game, so teacher decided to use this game to deliver the lesson. I'm going to talk about the concept definition first. Memory card is referring to a set of cards that contain few pairs of original verbs and past tense verbs. The list of the verbs are mostly the verbs used in English Year 6 textbook, which are the most highly frequency used in the textbook. Next, the total of verbs used, there were 15 verbs selected, and the process of conducting the activity. First, the students were divided into groups. Each group was given a set of the cards. Next, students take turn open one card and try to match it with another of its pair. Once the cards has been paired, students have to copy the words in the exercise book. Total number of students and groups. There were 30 students divided into 6 groups, which means each group have 5 students. Next, I'm going to talk about the implementation of research. In pre-test, students were given a worksheet containing 20 multiple choice questions. They were given 30 minutes to answer the question, and after that, teacher will check the answer and show it to the students. As for the while test, teacher conducted memory games, and post-test, students were given another worksheet almost like pre-test questions, and the result shown improvement. Next, I'm going to present the future action research for this topic. Based on observation and discussion, memory card scheme has successfully improved students' result and interest towards past tense topic. The students were very excited and energetic throughout the activity. and some of the weak students can be seen started giving attention to the topic. As a suggestion, this memory card game can be used for another grammar topics, personal pronouns, singular and plural nouns, or comparative adjectives. Second suggestion, it is suitable to increase their understanding and interest through fun and learning way. In this action research, I referred to these two journals. First, Memory Strategy Used by Teachers by Sao Hao Chang, 2015. And second is Using Card Game to Improve Vocabulary Retention, a preliminary study by Wan et al. That's it for my presentation today. Thank you for listening.